So, is there a reason why you're hiding in the closet? No? Maybe? Is there a monster in there? Okay, bye. Bye. See you later.
What?
See you later.
Later.
What are you hiding in there for? Huh? You ready to go to the dentist? Are you ready to go to the dentist? Are you ready to go to the dentist? Are you ready to go to the dentist? What do you think about the dentist? Is the dentist nice or mean? Is the dentist nice or mean? You don't know? Don't shut the door on me. I'm asking you a question. Okay, see you later then.
Who is it?
Why are you in the closet? You're not gonna tell me? Alright
Are
then.
you gonna tell me?
You're the one in the closet, not me. Why are you hiding in there? Did somebody make you mad?
What?
Did somebody make you mad?
Yes.
Who?
Papa.
Why?
Because everybody did.
Everybody made you mad? Okay. Bye.
Yeah.